India has the world's second lowest rates of meat consumption per person. India's meat consumption is very low, which currently stands at 4.5 kilograms per capita, and globally it is the second lowest consumer of meat per capita. In the last 20 years, the rate has grown only by 1 kg. People now have become more health conscious and attracted to the health benefits of a vegan diet. India is the second fastest growing processed meat and poultry market in the world. Even though 2/3 of Indians consume meat, consumption remained less than 4 kilograms per person, and it is the lowest in the world. But Telangana state records show that 98.8% of its people eat meat, which is higher than countries like the United States and Australia. India being a Hindu-majority country, it was previously estimated that only about 400 million Indians were vegetarians. A large portion of the population across all religious groups, including Hindus, consumed meat in one or another form. Yet, considering the country's mammoth population, its per capita meat consumption is very low. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.